Welcome guys to another unboxing video. Here we are going to unbox the brand new budget gaming earbuds that is Wings 200 that launched on 15 November with some exciting features. Those who wants to buy this one, the Wings give some amazing offer on first sale in which the price will be 999. Stay tuned that I gonna share complete details about this earbuds. We will discuss about the design, build quality, battery life. Let's start the unboxing. I'm so excited to unbox this product because this is one of the best earbuds under 1000 rupees on the first sale. After it could go up to 1500. Especially this is for the gamers. Let's see what they gave within this: one charger cable, some brand sticker, documentation, warranty card by Wings, and earbuds and case. Look at those two birds. It's look cool with this blinking light, and they gave earphones for proper fit in your ears. Just look over the specification of the product that comes with dual mode that you can switch to normal mode and gaming mode. All the touch sensors are working properly. There are two noise cancellation points given in both earbuds. As you can see, it gives with 30-hour playback with gas, 2-hour full gaming mode with 40 ms latency, and also it gives IPX5 sweat and water resistant, also voice assist. And these are available only two colors. However, this could be the best earbuds under 1000 rupees by Wings. This is all about this product. In next video we are going to do performance test of this product. Till then, stay healthy and take care of yourself and your family.